This video is going to cover saving your vcarve toolpaths. And I want to make sure that in the last video I made a small error where I did not preview my toolpath. So I want to start by previewing all of our toolpaths. So we're going to go in here and I'm just going to say preview all toolpaths. So now we know what that looks like. Now, I'm going to reset this preview and just take a look and say I'm going to preview just the visible toolpath. Okay, just so we know which one is which. All right, now I think it's worth it to name these if they were going to be different toolpaths. Let me go back and show you what I mean. So first off, both of these toolpaths are using a 60-degree vcarve bit that's called 3782. Let's just confirm that. 3782. They both use the same bit. So there's really no need to have them as separate toolpaths. However, you might want them as separate toolpaths if, for example, you had a start depth that was deeper. Let's say we wanted this to be a little bolder. I could put in a start depth of 0.2, calculate it now, and if I preview, you're going to see that that cuts a little bit deeper. If I were going to do that, there would be a reason to have two toolpaths. But I'm going to get rid of that. Instead, I'm going to delete this toolpath, and I'm going to add to this toolpath, and I'll show you what I mean. Currently, this toolpath is just this logo. I'm just going to say logo and text. And now I'm going to select all of these things and calculate. And now I've got one toolpath that covers all of them. So just preview, let me reset this, preview all toolpaths, and you can see that that looks just fine. All right, let's go about saving that now. So saving this, I'm going to say click on this. I've got it bold. I'm going to hit save. It tells me which toolpath I'm saving, and it's which bit it is. I hit save. I'm going to save it in 2 locations. I'm going to save it to the 60-degree with my name on it. And I'm going to save it to my folder. So I'm going to come up here, go to my folder, which is the student folders, and I'm going to save it here as well. If you have toolpaths that use different bits, then you're going to have to save each of those individually.